Welcome to the topic 5 episode 1 of this course, and in this video we'll be discussing another amazing element of design, which is space. So guys, let's go. Now before I proceed in explaining what a space means in our design, I firstly want us to imagine a room that is so disorganized to the point that there is no walking way to the bed or space to even stand. Can we imagine how beautiful the room is going to look? So the same thing applies to our design. When we fail to give our design some room to breathe and we violate the use of space in our design is going to look sick, and in fact it will be obvious that something is wrong with it. Now, what is space in design? Space is simply the distance in between or around our elements, and absolutely it makes and breaks our design. Why? Because lack of proper use of space is going to cause our design to look so busy and rough, which will cause our audience to be confused and stay away. Thus, that is mission failed. Now, let's check on the type of space. There are two types of space. Number one is positive space. Positive space is the actual space which any object we place in the page of our design occupies. That is, when we place a circle on a fresh page, for example, the actual space that the circle occupies on the page is a positive space. But let's quickly run this exercise. Let's duplicate the circle and scale it down a bit. Next, let's remove the current circle from the previous one. So you can see this can be read as a letter O. And the question is space that reflects instead of the second circle, is it a positive space? The answer is no. Why? That leads us to the second number of the type of space, negative space. Negative space is the space that surrounds an object or element that we place on our page. It is also called white space. Of course, it's usually the background. Now, going back to the previous example, the space which replaces the second circle together with the space that surrounds the letter O is a negative space. So guys, in order to maintain neatness and legibility in our design, we strongly need to pay good attention to the way we use space in our design. If you truly learned something from this video, then you need to show this video some love. Subscribe if you are watching from YouTube, follow up and comment your thoughts. Don't forget to share to others. Until the next topic, stay creative.